Hey guys, I have big news.
What? What is it?
I'm expecting
Expecting what?
a baby.
How's the baby, Grizzly?
Oh, good. I'm just caressing it to make it feel good.
Alright, cool. I still think it's weird that a man is pregnant, though.
You don't know me. You don't know what I've been through.
But we're brothers. I've known you your entire life.
What? I'm gonna go get my ultrasound.
I wonder. Is that an apple?
Take it easy. It's my baby.
Look, Grizzly, I don't think you're pregnant.
I can prove it. I got my own ultrasound machine. I can ultrasound myself right now.
No, Grizzly, I really don't care that much.
Hey, Grizzly, you want to go to the amusement park?
No! No!
Ah!
I'm sorry, guys. I was just so embarrassed. My doctor told me that I was overweight and I didn't handle the news very well. I couldn't admit to anybody what had actually happened, but more than that, I couldn't admit to myself. I came up with the Pregnant Act to hide that I am overweight. I shouldn't have had to hide it. I'm so sorry, guys.